How to do Irish shuffle dance. If you have ever watched Irish step dancing, you may have noticed the lively footwork that creates a captivating rhythm. One of the fundamental movements in this dance is the Irish shuffle. So, how do you do it? Let's break it down step by step. First, you will want to start with a hop. Choose one foot to begin with and hop on that foot. This initial hop sets the stage for the sounds that will follow. Next, it is time to perform the shuffle. The shuffle consists of two brushing sounds made by your foot. The first is called brush out. For this, sweep the ball of your foot forward and outward, lightly brushing the floor. After the brush out, you will do the brush in. This involves sweeping the ball of your foot backward and inward, again brushing the floor. Once you have completed the shuffle, follow it with another hop on the same foot you started with. This keeps the rhythm flowing. Now for the final touch, place your foot back behind the standing foot. You will want to cross it over slightly. This placement completes the sequence, resulting in a total of 5 distinct sounds: hop, brush out, brush in, hop, and foot back. To really master the Irish shuffle dance, practice the same sequence starting with your other foot. Alternating sides helps maintain balance and rhythm, which is essential for this dance style. When you perform the shuffle, keep your movements crisp and light. The foot brushes should be smooth yet audible, while the hops should be controlled to maintain a steady rhythm. If you are traveling in Ireland and want to experience the culture, learning the Irish shuffle dance is a fantastic way to connect with local traditions. You can often find Irish step dancing at local festivals, pub sessions, and cultural events. Many dance schools and cultural centers across Ireland offer beginner classes where you can learn these steps firsthand. This can be a memorable part of your visit, allowing you to appreciate the skill and rhythm involved in traditional Irish dance. So, the next time you hear the lively tunes of Irish music, you will be ready to join in with the Irish shuffle dance. Practicing the hop, shuffle, and foot placement sequence will help you become more comfortable with this traditional dance move. Enjoy the rhythm and have fun dancing.